The work you do is vital to us all. But keeping your fleet of health and research equipment operating to spec isn't easy. You juggle numerous instruments, vendors, and contracts, plus unpredictable costs and autopilot service renewals. It's all too chaotic and expensive for most labs and healthcare providers, because traditional service models and contracts just aren't up to it. We are. Our program is designed around your equipment challenges, with the sole purpose of reducing cost and complexity. We do that by connecting the dots of your disparate tools and terms and replacing them with a single, evidence-based service management program. One program with one point of contact for every instrument and service event. We cover it all: parts, labor, and logistics. So equipment management is easier and cheaper for you. We save clients 20% on average. We're a trusted partner with 25 plus years of equipment service expertise, ISO 9001 certification, and 100% audit-ready documentation. And we're a proven choice with 5,000 vetted technicians, thousands of clients served, and millions of service events managed. With us, your equipment performs at its peak, and you gain more control and visibility into your service activity and spend, so you can make more confident equipment decisions and keep your team focused on its life-changing work. Turn service into strategy. Visit theremigroup.com.